Hello, my name is David Farron. I want to do a recording today demonstrating a program called JavaScript Install. It's a standalone program, so it doesn't require an install, though it does create some support files. And they're no big deal, but I'll show you. What this does is if you take a zip file of JavaScript, let's say you download from the internet or get from a friend or something, and you need to install them, you use this program to extract the files from the zip archive, put them in the appropriate location, recompile them, and install them. Alright, I'm on my D drive. I create a location directory called JavaScript Install. I have the program in there, and I have a zip file containing some scripts for Goldwave. There are three ways at least to get the executable JavaScript install to pick up the zip file.
Enter. JavaScript install dialog. Zip file edit 16.0.
Alright, you're landing in a field. It said 16.0 because a couple tabs over it highlights the version of JAWS. Now 17's on here, so you can either type the name of the zip file or
tab, choose zip file button,
the browse button,
space, JavaScript install, choose zip file dialog, file name, edit combo, shift tab, explorer pane, shell folder view, items view list box, header, name, shift tab, Goldwave56 JavaScript 20.zip, Goldwave56 JAWS, and
down arrow to make sure it's focused.
Enter. JavaScript install dialog, choose zip file button.
Let me slow this down.
Slower. Choose zip file faster. Tab, JAWS version, list box, 16.0, 17.0.
Down arrow.
Tab, current user David Radio button checked, 17.
It's recommended you only install for the current user. If you have multiple users, you could do it to each user, but one at a time.
Tab, backup before replace checkbox checked.
Now this feature takes, say if you already have scripts and you want to update them, it'll take the ones you already have and either copy them into a directory or create a zip file. I've seen it do both. So if the new scripts don't work out, you can put these back.
Tab, overwrite script if exists checkbox not checked.
I would think you'd want that checked.
Space checked. Tab, recompile scripts checkbox checked.
That's checked by default.
Tab, install button.
All I have to do there is hit spacebar and it'll do its thing. But I'm going to show you a couple other things.
Tab, create send to menu button.
This will add a shortcut into your send to menu, and I'll demonstrate the purpose of that. Couple minutes.
Tab, remove send.
And that'll remove it.
Tab, cancel but tab, help.
And there's a help. Now when I hit this, you can read the documentation in the program, and when you close the program, you'll find a help.txt file
space
in the
help
same
JAWS
location
choosing the
where the JavaScript install is. And it's going to discuss everything I'm going to show you.
Alt F4 cancel JavaScript help .
So sitting on the help button. So while I'm here,
shift tab, create send.
I'm going to create the send to.
Space, JavaScript install dialog. Shortcut JavaScript install.x has been created. OK, but space, JAWS. Shift tab, install button. Space, backing up your script ... installing scripts ... compiling goldwave.jss, compiling goldwave4.jss, done. JavaScript install.
Does two compiles because there's Goldwave 4 and 5 scripts in there.
Home 7z.dll.
That's one file created for support.
7z.x. Backup.zip.
There's the zip file.
Enter. djob 19 items. djob Goldwave 5 6. Enter. djob 19 items.
And there's the original. Now there's a
Goldwave
text
5
file
6.
here.
Enter. Goldwave 5 6.
in the help you mentioned about a command line. You can do that.
End.
I have in here the command line for the JAWS script install and the Goldwave scripts I'm demonstrating with.
End. d:\JAWS script install /JAWS script install.xd /JAWS script install /Goldwave _5-6 JAWS scripts _2 0.zip.
Copy that to the clipboard.
Alt F4, djaw, home 7z.df, not selected control, not selected backup control space, backup dot shift delete, enter, djaw end, jaw help dot Goldwave gold.
Just deleted those support documents. Don't want to show you to recreate them anyway.
Control W, Windows M, Windows R, run dial. Enter, desktop, folder view, list view, data drive, JAWS scripts install dialog, zip file, read only edit, djaws script install Goldwave 5.6 JAWS scripts 20.zip 16.0.
And all it does is bring up the program with the zip files sitting in the edit box there, and you install them the same way.
Alt F4, quit JAWS scripts install. Windows M, desktop, D, enter, D, items view, J, JAWS, enter, home, 7z.df,
created those
7,
files.
Goldwave, help.txt, JAWS script install.x, help, Goldwave.
Next, I'll demonstrate the send to. I'm on the zip file.
Applications, context menu, N, 7z.x. J. Leaving menus. D. JAWS script install. Items view multi-select list box. Goldwave 5.6 JAWS scripts 20.zip 8/8/2015 11:33 a.m. compressed zipped folder 49 KB. JAWS scripts install dialog. Zip file. Read only edit. D. JAWS script install Goldwave 5.6 JAWS scripts 20.zip 16.0.
And again, you land in the edit box and
tab, choose zip file. Tab, JAWS version, list box.
It's all the same.
Tab, overwrites, tab, install, tab, remove send to menu button.
And remove that.
Space, JAWS scripts install dialog. Shortcut JAWS script install.x has been removed. OK, space, JAWS tab, cancel button. Space, cancelled. D JAWS script install item.
And exited the program. So no matter which way you use to get the name of the archive into the edit field, everything else is the same at that point. So what I would suggest you should do something like I did here. Put it in a directory and data drive, or you can even put it on your program files, wherever. Create this shortcut so that any time you get some scripts in a zip archive, do the send to, pick JAWS script install, bring it right up. Thank you. I hope this has been of some benefit.